Guys, today I am back with another video where I will show you how to transfer one sign from one document to another document. First, for this you will need two apps without any Photoshop. The two apps are first is background eraser. The link is in description, and another is Pixel Lab. You can see it here. So first you have to remove the background of the sign. So I will first open background eraser app. You have to scan the photo of your document in which you will put the sign, and also the photo of the sign. So here it is showing load a photo. You click on there, and the photo is this. I am, for example, I am taking this, and they are telling crop as much as possible, so I will take only the sign and nothing else. Guys, you crop as much as it is possible, then done. And now if you just manually erase the background, it will be too difficult, and it will be not accurate. So I will do this auto. You can see here this star option, auto. The if you the point the area where you want to remove the background. So this, see guys, the everything has been removed. Everything it is removed, and I will select this area, the leftover areas, here. This is too easy, and then I will remove this background. Now guys, see this, the whole thing is being removed. Then you can use the sign anywhere, and I will now see guys, I have completely erased the background. Nothing is there else there left over in the image. So I will click done, and they will show here smooth 01. So I will do it in 1. You can do it in 2 3, but I am doing it 1. Now I will click the save option. And now guys, the sign is saved without any background. So I will now go to the another app named Pixel Lab, where you can put the sign into your document in which you want to. So first you have to insert the image of the document into which you want to insert the sign. For example, I'm taking this document, and so I will just take the document. And let's go. Now first delete this new text, because you don't need any text here. So I will now insert the sign that you have cropped without any background. The option where you can import the sign is the third option from here. You can see this hexagon types. So import, and where is and you have to find the area where the sign is. So my sign is here without the background. See guys, this is the sign where nothing is there, only the sign, no background and nothing. So guys, just write. See guys, everything is there, but it is a little big, so I will crop it as much as possible, and you can crop it too small. See guys, it is seeing wow. The size, it is showing like real original document. You can change the color according. I am using here blue color, but you can change the color of the signature by clicking the third option and then going to the color and enable it, and select the color you want to. See guys, I am changing the color, every color, black color. I see guys, it is showing like real sign. if you guys want to decrease the light, if you want to lighten the color of the sign, you can go to the third option, and after color, texture and opacity, you can click here and decrease it. Now it is showing like real somebody has done on their hand, but don't try this in any official document, because you can get easily caught by if anyone uses the scanner. So please don't do it, and you can do it in any other business. So for now guys, bye. The link of the everything I have used in this are in the description box, and please like my channel, share my video, like my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.